What's up, everybody? Today we have two wrestling cards, Panini Prisms, 24 cards per box, black and color opening those. And first time on this channel, well, really in my life, opening top soccer cards. I've never opened any soccer cards before, so I'm excited to open them.
We'll use Mom's famous and lucky kitchen scissors for these, okay?
Why aren't they lucky?
I don't know. Maybe they are lucky. Who's to say they're not lucky? I think they are gonna be lucky.
Why do you think that?
Just got a feeling.
Oh my God, I feel
Cole and Blake, you want to say hi?
Hi. Hi.
All right, 6 packs. Which one you want to
Seven.
pick first?
Seven
Oh,
packs.
7 packs? 3, 4, 5,
cards.
6, 7. 8 cards per pack. Which one you want to do first? Top?
Going in order.
All right. Going in order.
I don't want to say fast.
I'm not doing that.
There you go.
I don't know a lot of stuff. Alright, I'm not even trying to. Moham Kudus. Jail Flex. Rolf Motmer. Pedri. And Ander Barkenteka.
He's on Messi's team.
European Knights, Alexander Ask. Best of the best.
What's that?
Karim
Karim
Benzema.
Benzema. We'll have to check these guys' stats out later, I guess. Something.
Future Stars, Santiago Gomez.
Let's go.
Colinci Hartman. Wait, Dad, is this a rookie? Because it says Future Stars.
Yeah, I would think so.
That's a rookie. That's just a rookie. Stefan Bajek. All-star rookie. Whatever that is. All-star rookie. Phil Foden. Madrid Magic. Oh. Jonathan David. Kareem Tripper. Road to London 24. Edro Kamanfiction.
Let's go.
George Sanchez. Milan's Mission. Martin Odegaard. Bill Nader, rookie. Antonio Griezmann. Ricardo Pepi. Giovanni Reina. Jude Bellingham. Frankie De Jong.
Get up if you want. Come back.
Title winners Manchester City. Ruben Loftus-Cheek. I don't know what these fire cards are.
Yeah, what's
I'll check it out while you're opening these ones. That top card looks good.
This one?
The red ones are called Inferno Parallels.
Oh.
These red ones are called Inferno The red ones are
Mario Dilla.
all-star rookie.
I had one of those. Nicole Barlella. Kavika Karafastran. I don't know how you say that. Karim Konate. West Ham United FC. Ben Doak. Oh, wait, rookie? Is that a rookie? Yeah. European Knights. Martin. Why is that O crossed out like that?
Odegaard. Odegaard. It's just how I think it's German.
Oh. Yuki Kabashian.
Next up, do you recognize any of these names yet?
No.
Nope. Me neither.
Yeah, the
Alvor
only person's I know
Rodriguez.
is Ronaldo and Messi.
Yeah,
Holland too.
that's right.
Oh, and
That Gilla guy, I thought I heard of before.
Angelo Alcorcon, rookie. Gustav Aikestan, rookie.
Get some USA cards.
Kauka Fayashian. Ardia Kohler. Oh, all-star rookie. Facundo Bayonce, rookie. This is the
Wow.
road to Dubai. Julio and Zico. Arlen to Akim. Wait, is that the guy in the front? Where's the box? No. I feel like that's the guy on FC Mobile.
That is him. Wow.
Nico Barlia.
That is him, Logan.
I think I'm gonna just keep this over
Okay,
here because it
that's
might
it.
be that guy.
That is
Okay.
him.
All right, this seems like it's a real thick card in
Let
here.
me feel.
Really thick. And this first card is Luke. I know that guy. Modric.
Modric? How do you know that
I
guy?
know that guy. Because he's good. Flip it over.
Holland!
What, dude? Wow.
What?
What is that? Let me see. Let me see that.
It's like a soccer ball.
It's like a coin in the middle.
That's sick.
Oh, I think it's the medal.
Yeah, it's a medal.
Because remember that card that said Manchester City won?
That's crazy.
Oh
That's
my God.
sick.
Look at that.
Let's go.
We gotta case that up.
You can't put that in a case.
No,
You can
big
only
case.
put that
I got
in
big
You
cases.
do?
Fake cases.
All right, Leroy Sane
God,
and
that card's sick.
Claudenci Hartman.
Dad, let me
Wait,
see that.
this feels this one
That
looks
nice.
different.
Oh, there's no.
I feel
Yeah,
like
they're
this-
just different flames.
Oh wait, this is a rookie though, so that's better.
There's another one too.
Holland, oh my God, let's go.
How did you get
You were just
that?
saying you know that Holland guy.
Yeah,
He's like, I also know this Holland guy.
one.
When we were talking about the soccer players, and then we don't know many of them. He's like, well, there's also this Holland guy, and then he ended up getting his patch. That's pretty sick.
Sifa Monaco.
Sick.
Christopher Baumgartner.
Bungalina.
Ricardo Pajo.
It looks like Ronaldo for a second. Yeah.
Imagine. Ethan Mbappe, rookie?
Mbappe?
Wait, is it Mbappe? Yes. I don't know if that's his rookie. He's not a rookie, is he?
That's not the same guy.
Mbappe's
I know.
not a rookie.
Gabriel Martino.
Oh.
Ventalia.
Springtime.
Cristiano
Ronaldo!
What? Sick. Wait, it's something. It's a special card too. What does it say on it?
It's silver.
Sick.
What?
Historic hat trick.
Historic hat trick. That's probably worth some money. It's a
Definitely.
cool card regardless.
How did
Jared
you keep
Bowen.
calling Ian Ronaldo?
Wait, is that my last pack?
Yep.
Oh my God. Let's go. Holland.
Alright, let me try to get this Holland card in something.
Time.
Thick. That boy's thick.
That boy's thick, boy.
I'm gonna send a picture to Xavier. Wait, what can I send him a picture?
All right, we at least got it in a
Sleeve.
penny sleeve.
Put it
For
in
now.
there for now. Wait, I need to feel how thick that is.
It's like heavy too.
Can I feel?
It's like a heavy coin. Careful, guy.
Don't
Blake,
touch the coin.
you don't take things out of people's hands. If you would like to hold it, you would ask him for it.
Can I please hold it? Can I please hold it?
Feel it.
Whoa! It's thick.
Oh my god. Wait, what? You have congratulations. You have just received a
Commemorative.
Starball relic card from Topps UEFA Club Competitions 2023-24.
Cool.
This medallion, I knew it. It's a medal. On the front of this card was specially created for Topps UEFA Club Competitions 2023-24.
Pretty sick.
It's right there. You can read it. No, I just read that right under congratulations.
And then there's this Ronaldo historic hat trick.
Well, no.
Who knows? There's probably another card or two in here. You
How is
guys,
this not numbered?
if you guys know if any of these other cards were good, let us know
I know.
because we don't really have a clue about soccer.
Comment.
We don't even play soccer.
We could ask Xavier if any of those guys are good.
Probably would
Since-
know. What is it?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Topps Total Football.
Oh.
All right. Who is up next?
I didn't even call
Cole's
football
up next.
soccer.
Well, for some people it's called football.
All right. Lucky Mom Scissors.
Imagine you
See?
get.
Told you they were lucky.
Imagine he gets something a part of the ring, like he did with his Bray Wyatt.
Yeah.
He
I got
didn't
him a
get-
Bray Wyatt
You
card.
got it. You got
He
it.
didn't
You
pull it
bought
out of
it.
a pot.
He didn't pull it. You bought it.
I bought him.
For his birthday, because he loves Bray Wyatt.
Yep.
You don't want to know how much
So
he
happy
loves
I don't
Bray
have to
Wyatt.
show cards anymore. It hurts
Yeah,
my
we got-
because it's my left hand showing it. And my right. It feels weird to hold it like this and pull it like that. Or something.
All right. Noam Dar.
Look at Kevin Owens.
Good job, Blake. Or
Silver.
Cole.
That's a silver.
This
Kevin
one's a silver?
Owens.
No, it's
Yeah,
not
it's
silver.
silver.
It's
No,
Kevin
not.
Owens.
Giovanni Vinci.
It's green.
Green.
Wait, is that John Cena?
Brutus Creed.
I don't like John
Where's
Cena
Brutus
to me.
Creed?
I don't know. Kevin Owens, though. That's good.
3 cards
Didn't
per
see if
pack.
4.
Green.
4? What?
Yep, but he gets 6 packs.
It's barely any cards.
Well, because the good packs only have a couple of cards.
Grayson Waller.
Wow. Oh my god.
Shotzi. This is cracked ice. Cracked ice.
Damian Priest.
Nope.
No.
Rob Van Dam.
What? That looks
Yell
like
it
him.
out if you don't even know.
That looks like him.
Who's that?
Kevin Nash.
Kevin Nash.
You know that. Who's Kevin Nash?
All right. All right.
Is that a rookie?
Who's that? You know?
Ariana Grace.
Ariana Grace. Wes Lee.
Wesley.
My favorite wrestler of all time.
Ultimate Warrior. On the silver.
Ultimate Warrior on the silver.
What?
Let's go. That's
Gunther!
Gunther.
Why doesn't he have his belt on?
I don't know.
He must not have.
Dude, I can't believe you got an Ultimate Warrior silver. That is sick. I want that
That is
card. I might trade you for that card.
You don't even have wrestler cards.
I don't know, but I could trade him a different card.
Could trade you a Michael
I got
Jordan.
some Steph Curry's coming in.
Wait, you said you were giving me that one.
I didn't say all of them.
Wasn't he?
Duke Hudson.
Is that silver? Or no? It looked silver.
Another cracked ice.
Oh,
Harry.
Sari.
I know who
You know who this is?
Goldberg.
Goldberg. Good job, Cole. And you know who that is?
Damian Priest.
Yes.
Yeah, that one's Damian Priest.
Well, let him try to say him
Isn't
first,
that-
okay? Before you tell him.
I didn't tell him that one.
No, I'm just saying in general.
I didn't. You always said it.
Okay, another one of my favorites. You won't know him. Scott.
Scotty Steiner.
No, Scott Steiner.
Who's
The
that?
Steiner brothers.
I don't know.
You know what that is?
Take that out. Who's that?
Bobby.
Bobby Lashley?
Yeah,
It
Bobby
says
Lashley.
The Almighty. 'Cause
The
that's
Almighty.
His nickname. The Almighty Bobby Lashley.
Who's that? Who's that?
Gunther?
Gunther, top tier. Insert.
O'Connor?
Oh, there's a guy.
I never heard this.
He's a rookie. That's why we never heard of him.
B-Fab.
He fell.
It's a rookie. All right,
Last pack.
last pack.
And then my turn of WWE cards.
The best card so far Cole has got is probably that top tier Gunther. Or it could be the Ultimate Warrior one. Silver.
Josh Briggs.
That looked like Jey Uso little to me when I saw.
You know who that is? Zelina Vega.
Oh wait, I feel like I heard that before.
SmackDown card.
Cracked ice, that was. You don't know this one either.
Razor
name-
Ramon.
Yeah, Razor Ramon. He's an older guy. When I used to watch him. Last one,
Joe
Ju-
Coffey.
Joe Coffey.
Card.
All right, so these will be Cole's cards over here. Here, I'll get those.
And then
right?
mine will be on this side.
Mine are obviously the soccer ones with the best cards so far. Holland.
If I get a battle. I want a Cody Rhodes card.
All right, here we go.
Cody Rhodes is the best.
Last up is Blake.
Mom's Lucky Scissors.
Mom's Lucky Scissors. Here we go.
Kind of the honors.
I want Dad to say mine.
You do?
Yeah.
All right.
Almighty Bobby Lashley.
You should show them your necklace.
Why?
Because all those 49ers fans out there.
Just
Say-
49ers helmet.
Yes! Cody Rhodes!
The All-American Cody Rhodes.
That's the one. Let's go! That's what. That's the one I
Okay.
got. American Nightmare Cody. That's the one. That's the one I got.
Yep, you got the same one. Here, if you want me to do these,
Yes.
Carl Anderson. Okay.
Dolphin something.
Dolph Ziggler on the green.
Dolph Ziggler's
Yeah, I
goated.
saw him before him.
He's goat.
Who is that?
And Shayna Baszler. Or Baszler. I don't know, one or the other.
It says SmackDown on the back.
Yep.
So they were all in SmackDown.
So some of them will say SmackDown, some will say NXT. Some of them will say what?
Where does it say
Raw,
SmackDown?
right? On the back of the cards, it tells you what league or whatever thing you're in. I'll hold them.
Oh no,
Brooks.
I don't know them.
Okay. Brooks Jensen, you're not showing him. This is why I thought it'd be easier if I just hold him for you. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna put it where it is.
Damon Kemp. Okay.
Cracked ice.
Correct dice, that goes right there. Booker T on the insert. And Sol Ruka. Is that a rookie?
Yes.
Okay, it goes in that pile.
My first woman wrestler.
All right. Alba Fry.
Who?
Just show them all up there, yeah.
Is it spelled F-R-Y?
Is this a good one?
No, right there. Zoe Stark.
Why is there so much about that, right?
Alisa Alexander, rookie card.
On the silver, too.
And Dexter Loomis.
Think Biggie might be on
Dakota
the back.
Kai. Cracked Ice Goldberg.
Oh, this is the same one you got.
But he got the green.
Oh, he got the green.
Right there. AJ Styles.
On the green. Biggie.
And Big E.
Biggie.
You called it.
I knew it.
One
Maybe
maybe
I'll go after this.
It's upside down. Ricochet.
Ricochet. It's Ricochet, the guy who does backflips.
Right here. Okay.
Where?
I'll hold these. I'll hold them and then you can show
Where
them.
are these?
Okay.
Well, I want to hold them.
I'm giving them to you. Mankind. Ring. This is a good one. Ring Royale. Ring Royalty. Stone. Grab it by the side. Don't grab it by the middle.
Stone
Cold.
Cold Steve Austin.
Show the card. Madcap Moss.
Who's that?
No idea.
Wait, Mad Cat?
Let me see. Imagine he gets a
Oh,
Sam
Mad
Punk.
Cat.
Imagine somebody gets a Sam Punk. What if I do? You're not. Wait, I want to see the real.
Von Wagner.
There is no real cards.
Batista Cracked Ice.
Batista.
Elias.
Elias. But I gotta say Elias. I know Elias.
And
Cody Rhodes.
Prismatic.
Prismatic. Oh my God.
All right,
That's
put
cool.
that down. There we go. Wow, 2 Cody Rhodes. All right. So, what are we gonna do is close this out. What are we gonna say? What do you think, Coley? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Make sure what?
to like and subscribe.
Comment who had the best cards.
And tell us-
Comment what's your favorite soccer player and your favorite wrestler.
and let us know if any of those soccer players that we know nothing about are any good, and we should
Yeah.
those cards are good or not, because we got no clue.
Comment down below.
All right.
Peace out.